Aloy. Aloy, Mac. Hey guys, let's go to a floating market here in Ratchaburi. We're here at Dam ng Sadwa floating market. Ayan, sakay na tayo guys. So we're renting this boat for 500 baht. And this ride is for 1 hour. And then you can just stop anytime, eat anytime you want. Traffic. Free taste? Okay, kapon ka. Nangipon naman. Apple. Mango. Ayun, meron coconut ice cream. We're looking for rice meal kasi we're hungry. We haven't eaten breakfast yet. So many coconut ice cream. Fruits. May mga gamit din like bags. We ordered kaupat guy or fried rice with chicken. Good. Ito nag-floating market para magkanin.
At mag-pad thai.
At nag-pad thai. Lamon. Oh, lots of fruits. Okay. Done guys.